Very happy morning to all. Today this class we are going to discuss about economics, lesson number 11, economics of development and planning. So many concepts we have come across. This class we are going to discuss about first and foremost important thing, the lesson name planning. What is meant by planning? First we are going to discuss about the general introduction or the meaning for the term planning. Next, second important thing we are going to discuss about what is the definition of planning given by Robbins. And third important thing, what is the thing we are going to discuss today is economic planning in India. What is the third thing? Economic planning in India. We just see one by one in a detailed way. Planning. From the topic itself having the meaning. Planning means before we just do or we just carry out any important thing, we just plan and do. We just plan and do, we can achieve more and we can, at last we can win. Is it clear? That is a general quotation or that is a general meaning. So here planning means it is nothing but it is a process. Economic planning. Planning it is also known as, we can call it as another name, economic planning. Economic planning means at minimum cost how much amount of satisfaction we are getting as a consumer. That is the term planning. For individual it will be like this, and for the country means it is also the same procedure. Minimum expenditure government they are doing and maximum welfare to the general public. Clear? Before implementation of each and every economic welfare activities, the government they just plan. That is a general introduction for planning or economic planning. Meaning of the term planning. Economic planning is a process under which attempts are made to achieve the desired targets, and each and everything it should be undertaken within a very specified period of time. Why this each and everything takes place means in order to achieve growth and development of an individual or growth and development of a country. So what is the meaning? It is a process. Planning is a process under which attempts are made. Before the construction of a house, the engineer he or she just prepare a blueprint. Then only he just started construction of the houses and it will be perfect. Clear? Same like that. Before implementation or before carry out any other important thing, it is a process under which attempts are made in order to achieve the desired target within a very short span of time. That is the exact meaning. Next one, definition of planning, which was given by Robbins. What does the thing means? It is a collective control of private activities without here the government intervention. Government here in order to control. Here we are having too much of population. So what does the thing happen? In order to satisfy the growing wants and needs of the people, the government they can open the gate for private also. Each and every activity you people know very well. Public or government activity, their main important aim is welfare motive. Whereas private they are undertaking activities means their main important aim is only profit. So each and everything the government they are not interfere means what will happen? Each and every production consumption it will undertaken by the private means entire thing it will be consumer they will suffer a lot, huge amount of price they will fix in order to earn profit, each and everything you know. So economic planning is a collective control of private activities. Private people we have to control, especially in case of PN and CN. You people know very well. PN means production, CN means consumption. Clear? And next one, what is the thing we are doing? This is the general introduction, definition for planning over. Next topic, economic planning in India. Economic planning means minimum cost, maximum satisfaction welfare to the general public. When and how this planning is the concept it was implemented in our country means after independence 1948, what will happen? Industrial policy. What is the thing? Industrial policy program it was announced. 1948 only we got independence. After 1948 there is a main important thing for industrial policy. We have to announce each and everything they have taken certain important effort. Another important thing, after implementation or after announcing of industrial policy, the National Planning Commission, this is the main important commission, they only paved the way for industrial policy. Which one? National Planning Commission, they only suggested which one means industrial policy program. And January 26, you people know very well, January 26, 1950 only, our Indian constitution, it will be came into force. January 26, 1950. And March same year, January 26, 1950, our Indian Constitution came into force, and March 15, same 1950, same year, what will happen? The Planning Commission also started its important activities or their operation. Planning Commission, March 15, 1950, they started. And what is the thing? Each and everything takes place after that first 5-year plan. What is the thing? We are having so many planning period. First 5-year plan, it was started and it was launched in the year 1951 and it will end with 1956. Is very, very important thing. First 5-year plan, when it was undertaken, started with 1951 and it will end with 56. Clear?